Neymar is just 29 years old, and he is currently the richest athlete in the world. Did you know Neymar's net worth has jumped to $200 million? He has made a name for himself on the list of the world's top athletes, and recently in 2021, Epic Games announced that Neymar would join the cast of Fortnite with an in-game skin. He sure has acquired a lot of fame over the past few years, but how does Neymar spend his millions? What expensive purchases has he made during his career? Let's find out. What would a football player love to collect in order to upgrade his gear? Well, once Neymar dropped $23,700 on a pair of shoes in a single day. Neymar has created an incredible collection of expensive sports shoes. Later in this video, you are going to find out the most amazing purchases made by Neymar. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are back with another hot topic, the millionaire lifestyle of Neymar. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Neymar signed his first official contract when he was just 17. Another amazing fact that we are going to share in today's video is that both of the football legends Neymar and Ronaldo share the same birthday, which is February 5th, 1992. Neymar has came a long way in football, and he says that the sport has completely changed his life. Currently, Neymar is showcasing his skills on the world stage on the Brazilian national team. He was also snatched up by Barcelona in a $158 million transfer, which awarded the 29-year-old a 5-year $101 million contract with a Spanish super side. Neymar has an amazing collection of cars, which include an Audi RS7 worth $114,000 and a Porsche Panamera Turbo worth $440,000. He is also a big fan of the famous brand of luxury watches, Gaga Milano. Once at Gaga Milano in Tokyo, he spent around $180,000 in a single visit, and it later turned into an endorsement deal. Neymar might not be well known to the people who are not familiar with soccer, but for the rest of the soccer world, he is a global icon and a legend in the making. When the Spanish club confirmed his ongoing transfer rumor from FC Barcelona to PSG, Barca fans were shocked. But what shocked the world even more was the insane transfer fee and salary, making him one of the highest paid athletes in the world. So, it goes without saying that Neymar leads a lavish and luxurious lifestyle, and today we are going to get a closer look at his lifestyle, so make sure you watch until the end to find out all the details. One of the most expensive purchases that Neymar made was his $8 million super yacht, and you'll be surprised to hear that he spends $120,000 for the maintenance of the yacht per year. Neymar is often spotted on his 3-story yacht with his friends enjoying the luxuries of its 4 glamorous suites, jacuzzi, and its capacity to accommodate 65 people at a time. Neymar also travels in style. He owns a private jet worth $15 million. The stylish aircraft has leather seats and an amazing flight vision system. In addition to all his amazing purchases, Neymar's most exquisite purchase might be his helicopter that he bought recently. The helicopter was customized to his liking and is worth $14.5 million. He is a fan of Batman, so he designed the interior of the helicopter with his favorite superhero. Neymar owns a luxurious mansion in Brazil, which is worth more than $7.5 million. The place is over the top and comes with a massive swimming pool with a breathtaking view. The house consists of 6 bedrooms, a gym, helipad, and a tennis court. There is also a wine cellar in the mansion which can accommodate more than 300 bottles of wine. Neymar spends some of his weekends at his mansion. He has adapted to his immeasurable success in such a short span of time, and he lives a lifestyle every millionaire deserves. That's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Neymar? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.